You don't need to bother about your OET listening score if you're strictly following the strategies that we are going to discuss in this video. We are going to talk about the effective way of practicing script writing for OET listening. In order to do script writing, you have to find an audio which is 1 or 1.5 minutes. Then listen to the audio and simultaneously write down those lines. You may be missing here and there, but you don't need to get panicked. What you have to do is try to catch up with the upcoming word at the earliest. Once you finish your first round of listening, you will be getting a draft which is having missing areas here and there. What you have to do next is go for second round of listening with the same audio. This time you only need to focus on those missing areas. In your initial days, you may need more than 2 rounds of listening. But please don't get panicked. As days goes by, with consistent practice, you can definitely improve it. Basically, it will influence all the 4 modules when you prepare for an examination like OET. So, make use of this technique and fetch high scores in your examination. So, for more interesting videos like this, follow Tiju's Academy. Orapana Vijayam.